Greetings, this is Frank McDonald, your instructional officer for secondary science and your middle school science fair coordinator. I'd like to first say thank you to all the work that I've seen that's been happening the past week, past couple days, as far as getting yourself joined into the Google Classroom, uploading your presentations, reaching out to your coordinators, reaching out to me, coordinators. I see your endless effort to making sure your kids are in the right spot, and it is truly appreciated. I can't thank you guys enough. We have overcome many different challenges, some that you were aware of, some that you were not aware of, in this whole process of moving or taking our science fair from a live event to a virtual event. We are indeed building the plane as we are flying it, and we have overcome several different things up until this point, and I can foresee us having several more challenges before this thing is all over. One of the main challenges that came up was having issues uploading certain types of presentations to our Google Classrooms. I was able to find a workaround that allowed us to upload some stuff, but there was an issue in that. We were using links from our OneDrive that was the links were being allowed for us to upload our presentation, and I found a problem in those. The problem is that they are linked to our OneDrives, and the settings that we connected those links to those presentations would only allow somebody that's in the SISD circle of OneDrives, so anybody that's a part of SISD are the only people that can see it. Where's the problem? Well, the problem is that some of our judges are from outside of our SISD circle. So once they opened up your presentations and clicked on them, they would not be able to see them if we didn't have the settings correct on the link. This was an unforeseen issue, and now that it has been brought to light, I am hoping that we can correct this thing, and I am about to show you two different options that we can use to correct the issue. Those of you that were able to sit down and I was able to work with, we took care of some of these things very quickly, and you can see once we know how to do this, it is a very quick process. So hopefully, fingers are crossed that this can go in the same manner. So let me show you the couple different options that we are talking about. So the first thing I'm going to do is I have a PowerPoint that's here, and you can see I've already embedded my face onto this. I've done some talking to it. If we save our presentations as an MP4, which was part of the initial one of the initial videos that I sent out, suggesting that we save it as an MP4, this we can avoid any issues of uploading. Apparently, Google and Microsoft Office don't play nice, and Google doesn't allow PowerPoints to be uploaded, whether they're coming from a Google Drive or they're coming from OneDrive, anywhere. So a way around that is if we turn it into a video. Well, how do we turn it into a video? So I've just clicked on the file, and I'm going to save a copy. And here, I'm going to keep the same name, but I'm going to change it from a PowerPoint, and I'm going to save it as an MPEG-4. So here's the MPEG-4 or the MP4. I'll click here, and I'll select the place that I want to save it. I want to make sure that I save it in somewhere where I can find it, and I'm gonna save it in my OneDrive, and I have a whole folder for science fair stuff. So I'm going to save it in here. As a matter of fact, I've already saved the copy. So I would click on save, and it would upload, and I would save a copy as a video. Once I've done that, I'm going to go back to my area where I'm going to turn in my assignment. I'm going to click on add or create an assignment. I'm going to click on a file, and I'm going to click on browse. I'm going to go to where I saved that, so my 2021 and my science fair, and I should have a video down here. Where is it? It is right. No. There it is. Here's my video. And I'm going to click there. This is my fake virtual science fair entry. And I'm going to open it. It'll start to upload. It adds it. And now I can resubmit it. Fingers crossed. Success. We did it. So option one is instead of trying to upload your PowerPoint, you just simply save your PowerPoint as a video and then you upload it again. That probably took 3 minutes, 4 minutes. I'm going to show you a different way now. So here is option number two. Option number two, I am going to go directly to, I'm going to find myself. Here's my PowerPoints as well. And in this case, I'm gonna right click, and some of you may have remember this. I'm gonna click on share. And here's the extra step that we didn't take. If you look in this box, it says people in Socorro ISD with the link can edit. Well, we don't want that. We want to say everyone with the link can see it. So we want to allow anyone with the link, and we want to unclick the allow editing. We don't want anybody to edit. So nobody's going to edit it. And then we are going to apply. Now that I've applied it, I can copy the link. Copy. I can go back to my class, or to my classroom. And I'm just going to get rid of that. I'm going to click on add or create. I'm going to click on the link. I'm going to right click and paste. I'm going to add it to the link. Then I can resubmit. And now my video is, or my presentation is available as a PowerPoint presentation. So once we add the links, it may save us some space. We could do the same thing with the video. We have the same option with the video as well. I can, and I'll unsubmit. I'll show you that way too. I'll show you a third option. This is a bonus option. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go back to my fake video, and I'm gonna find a link for it too. I'm gonna right click on the video. I'm gonna share. Click on share. I'm going to go to anyone with the link, and I'm going to unclick allow editing. I don't want them to edit it. And then I'm going to apply, copy the link, copy it again, go back to my sandbox, and paste it in, add the link. And it's prepping, and then I can resubmit and turn in. And now when I click it, it takes a couple seconds to upload. And success. All right, so there are your three options. Option number one is to turn your PowerPoint into a MP4. And Google and Microsoft Office won't fight each other over the video, and the video should be uploaded. Option number two is to get that link and to allow anyone who gets the link to see what it's linked to see your presentation on the PowerPoint. And option number three is to do the same thing with your video. Allow anyone to see it and then upload it as well. Again, I apologize for the different changes. It is a brand new adventure for all of us. I appreciate your patience, and I appreciate your efforts wholeheartedly. So thank you again. And if you have any questions, reach out to me, email, text message, anything, and I can help you. And I'll be staying up to all hours of the night. So just reach out and let me know. Thank you. Bye.